Hi, my name is Mark Bulger and welcome to Auto Bolin, Honda and Volvo Cars Waterford. We're going to give you our 5 top tips to remember when looking at buying a used car. Tip number 1 might seem very simple, but we'd always advise customers drive the car you're looking at. It's not something everyone does, but get in, have a drive of the car, get a feel for what you're driving and see if it suits what you're looking for. Tip number 2, always check out the history of the car, where it's come from, service history. Most main dealers will have that on record for you, and it's something simple to ask for. Tip number 3 would be always check the condition of the car, bodywork, tyres, all the important stuff that you're going to expect in a car, even though it's a used car. Tip number 4, we'd always recommend try to stick to main dealers where you can. All our cars come in and go through our workshop, our service, have a vehicle health check, and come with either the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty or the garage's warranty, which is always good to have. Our 5th tip that we advise is try and enjoy the process. Buying a new car or buying a used car is meant to be an enjoyable experience. Salesmen are here to help you. We want to sell you a car, but we want you to come back and have return on business. So we want the experience to be as pleasurable as possible for you, that you're going to tell your friends about it and come back to us to change your next car. So that's our top 5 tips. We've got a great sale on all this week, with reductions right across the range and plenty of used cars in stock. We're here Monday to Friday. If I call in and see Pat, Liam, Mark or myself, Mark.